everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a fabulous day. So we have a brand new subscription to our channel to open today, and it is an underwear subscription. This is Splendies. This is what the mailer bag looks like. So one of you guys asked me to get this and review it a while ago, like months back, and I was interested because, like, let's get real, I could totally refresh my underwear drawer. I could use some new cute pairs of panties, but I kind of held off for a little bit. I don't really know why. I think I looked at it and then it just kind of slipped my mind. But then I got this email and there was a sale for June. I think it's 50% off. So that is what finally drew me in, and I'm so happy I did. I've seen some other unboxings and some stuff online, and their underwear is so cute. So if that deal is still going on, I will of course leave the link and the promo code down below. Hopefully it still is, but either way it is an affordable subscription. So like with all new subscriptions on my channel, I open up the website just to get some more information about what it is and some pricing information. So let me pull that up now. So it says Splendies, surprise undies delivered. A surprise subscription of 3 pairs of quality undies delivered to your door. It's like Christmas every month. So they have a few different plans. So they have Splendies or Voluptuous. Voluptuous, is that how you say it? For more voluptuous ladies. So the regular Splendies is for sizes small, medium, large, and XL. But then they also have the Voluptuous, which is for 1X, 2X, 3X, and 4X. So I love how they have a wide array of sizes so everyone can enjoy this, hopefully. So after you choose your size, you get to choose your plan. So you could choose no thongs, a surprise variety, or all thongs. I chose a surprise variety, so I don't know what exactly I'm getting in mind, but I do enjoy both types of underwear, so yeah. So the normal price of this is $14.99, and you can cancel at any time. If you sign up for more months at a time, like if you get a 3, 6, or 12-month plan, you do save some money. But anyways, let's get into the bag and see what I received this month. I'm so excited. Did you guys see Southern Mom open this? She pretended like she was doing a try-on. It's really funny. You guys should check out her video and see her try-on video of the Splendies if you haven't seen it yet. But anyways, inside of the mailer bag, everything is wrapped in this cute tissue. Yeah, I had to save this. It's so cute. And there's a little Splendies sticker. I guess they're based out of Santa Monica, California, and they were established in 2013. Cool. How cute. Okay, so there is a card on here that says, "Welcome to Splendies. You just joined pretty much the best thing ever." And then on the back it says, tag 4 friends and share your Splendies each month on Instagram using a hashtag Splendies for the chance to win a free year of Splendies. Wow, that's awesome. So here is the front of the card and the back. So it looks like the first pair I have is thong, and it's pretty and pink. That is what it looks like. The material seems so soft and nice and stretchy. Let's see if it says what it is made out of. So it's 62% polyester, 33% cotton, and 5% spandex. Machine wash cold, tumble dry low. So that's awesome. You can just wash it normal, which I would hope, because I'm not doing anything special even if it says. But this is cute. So there's a little bow and some little lace detail on the top. Perfect for every day. And there's the back thong part. So cute. Oh, the next one's super cute too. These are just adorable. So the next two are regular underwear. So this one has more lace on the top and, or is this? Yeah, that's the front. So, and then there's a little pink bow, and it's purple and white striped. Show the back so you can see more of the material. It feels so soft, seriously. This is really high quality, I would say. Let's see, is this made the same way? So this one is made out of 95% rayon and 5% spandex. Yeah, it feels really nice. I like rayon products. It feels so comfy. So again, this is what this one looks like. Whoever thought I'd be showing underwear on my channel? I guess it's not that surprising. And the next one, this is cute. This is a floral print. Oh my god, this one feels even softer than the rest. What? Oh, and there's pricing on the tags. Let me look. So, $12 for the thong. It looks like they're all $12. So this is good value because you paid like $14.99 and then you get way more than that. These are each $12, so what? That's like $36. That's awesome. So yeah, this is what this one looks like. And there is the back. Let's see, what is this one made out of? So this one's 87% nylon and 13% spandex. It just feels so nice and like smooth and like satiny. I love it. This is so cute too. I love the floral design. So yeah, I think this is such a cute subscription. What do you guys think? So the surprise variety, we got 2 of regular underwear and then 1 thong, and these are like perfect everyday type underwear. Definitely will be getting my use out of it. I am excited to have it. So yeah, I will leave all the information down in the description box if you're interested in subscribing. Hopefully this video is okay with you guys. I mean, it's still pretty PG. It's okay. We all wear underwear. Well, I guess not everyone. You don't have to. I don't know, I'm gonna stop rambling. Thank you guys so much for being here. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.